Good morning, dear student. Student Jai Gurudev. Today we will revise question answer of chapter 6, that is changes around us. First, see very short answer type questions. Question number 1. What is meant by reversible change? मीन्स आप रिवर्सिबल चेंज से क्या समझते हैं? डियर स्टूडेंट, इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिवर्सिबल चेंज. सी, a change that is not permanent and can be reversed to its original form, that is known as reversible change. Okay, means a change in which initial substance after changing again come back. That type of change, dear student, it is known as reversible change. And these changes, dear student, are not permanent. Means if A convert into B, then B also convert into the A. Okay. See, question number 2. Why is boiling of water considered a reversible change? Boiling of water को हम reversible change क्यों कहते हैं? Dear student, boiling of water considered as a reversible change because after condensation, vapor convert into the liquid state. Boiling में water first liquid to vapor state में convert होता है, but after condensation, this vapor come back into the liquid state. So, dear student, it is considered as reversible change. Next, what the changes that take place during fixing of metal rim around the wooden wheel of cart? Dear student, when we fix a metal rim around the wooden wheel, first we heat that rim. During that time, due to the expansion, the size of the metal rim increase and it easily fit on the wooden wheel. Okay, and then after cooling, this rim again come back to its original position. So, dear student, here is no new substance are formed. Only change in shape is observed, that is the physical property is observed. So, it is an example of physical change. Okay, fixing of metal rim on the wheel is an example of physical change, dear student. Next question. Can change in object occur on its own? No, dear student. Change in an object does not occur its own. There are some cause behind that change. It may be the change in the physical property or the chemical properties of the surrounding. Next, give some example of natural changes. Dear student, in nature many type of slow and fast changes are take place. For example, weathering, deposition, earthquake, erosion, volcanic eruption, landslide. All these are example of natural changes, student. Next, short answer question. Question number 1. Write a physical change that can be made in classroom. The student in classroom, there are many type of the physical change. We switch on and switch off the light. That is an example of physical change. We tear the pages of copies. That is physical change. Okay. We sharpen the pencil. That is an example of physical change. So, according to your choice, you give any two examples. Question number 2. Write one use of each of expansion of solid and liquid. Dear student, there are many applications in our surrounding which is based on expansion of solid and liquid. For example, when we fix a metal rim on the wooden cart, that time first we heat the metal rim. That time it undergo the expansion and increase its size, then easily fit on the wooden wheel. Okay, similarly, liquid thermometer, mercury thermometer, which is used by us, it is based on the principle of expansion of liquid. When there is student mercury thermometer, which contain the liquid metal mercury, it come in contact with our body high temperature. That time this mercury level expand. Okay, and it show the rise in level of the mercury on the thermometer. And when we take out or keep it away from our body, that time again it cool. So fixing of iron rim on the wooden wheel of a cart is an example or is an use of expansion of solid, whereas working of mercury thermometer is one of the use of expansion of liquid. Next, third, how is change caused by tearing a paper different from folding a paper? Dear student, when we tear a paper, that time it is irreversible change. Okay. Whereas when we fold a paper, that time it is reversible change. Because folded paper can again come back to its own initial form by unfolding it. But it is very difficult, or it is not possible to make same paper with the help of tear paper. Now turn the page of your copy also. See question number 4. Why do water pipe usually crack in winter? Water pipes क्यों crack हो जाते हैं winter season में? Dear student, water pipes usually crack in the winter due to contraction. Okay. वाटर पाइप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होने के कारण विंटर सीजन में ये क्या हो जाते हैं, क्रैक हो जाते हैं. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन डियर स्टूडेंट. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. राइट डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन अ फिजिकल एंड केमिकल चेंज. स्टूडेंट, physical change, the change in which substance is not transformed into new substance. Okay, ऐसा चेंज जिसमें कि सब्सटेंस न्यू सब्सटेंस में कन्वर्ट नहीं होते हैं, that is known as physical change. But dear student, chemical change is just opposite to the physical change. In case of chemical change, dear student, substance is transformed into new substance. Now second point. Dear student, in case of physical change, no new substance are formed. But in case of the chemical changes, new substances are formed. Okay. Next one. physical change. Dear student, in case of physical change, initial substance is not lost. Okay? But in case of chemical change, initial substance is lost. Means it changes its identity after the chemical change. Next, example of physical change, expansion of balloon, whereas example of chemical change, rusting of iron. Again, I am repeating the student difference between physical and chemical change. Physical change is the change in which a substance is not transformed into new substance, is known as physical change. The student, the change in which substance is transformed into new substance, it is known as chemical change.